Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how to integrate Google Cloud Translate API in .NET application to translate text from one language to any other languages. One approach I know that we can directly consume Google Translate API in our application using HTTP client like regular REST API, and another approach is to use nuget packages for Google Cloud Translate API. There are a couple of nuget packages available in online. That nuget packages will give us full flexibility to detect and translate languages. For this demonstration purpose, I will use nuget package. Let's search on Google. So let's browse this API. This is not recommended package. So recommended package is Google.Cloud.Translation.V2. This package is basically recommended. So let's browse. So recommended Google Cloud library to access the Translate V2 API. So let's see the dependencies. This package is compatible with the .NET Framework 4.6.12 onwards. It is not compatible less than 4.6.1. Let's create a .NET application to translate the language. So let's create a console application. This is the very simple application. So let's check the .NET Framework version. So this is 4.5.2. This is not compatible with the package I am talking to. So I am upgrading to 4.7.2. Let's build the application. Let's explore the Google Translate nuget package. To install, click install, click OK. Package has been installed. Now all set up. I am going to add some code. So this is the class of this package. So let's explore this class. So there are a number of methods. So I'm going to find one of the method that create from API key. So one parameter of this method is API key. You will get the API key from your authorized Google Cloud account. If you do not have the API key already created, so you have to create it to translate the language. I have my API key. I stored in API key constant. As this key is private, I don't want to expose it. So if you are new in Google Cloud, you can visit my another video where I explain how to create Google Translation API key. Every request. So my request is ready. translated text method basically translate your text. The first parameter of this method is text that I am going to translate. So I'm planning to translate Bangla text into English. So let's browse the Google Translate website. I am Bangladeshi. Let's see what is the meaning in Bangla. Is it Ami Bangladeshi? So let's copy it and paste here. The second parameter is target language. The language basically I want to translate. So there is a class that is storing all the codes of languages. So I'm going to translate into English. This is why the target language is English. So another parameter is source language. This is optional. If you don't want to put the source language, Google Translate API automatically understand the source language. Here the source language is Bengali. Okay, the response I want to console. The property is translated text. So let's start with the debugging. So this is I am Bangladeshi. The language is perfectly translated.